Cystoscopy. Men. Introduction.
Please point to the bladder.
Choose one of the following options.
Correct. Cystoscopy is only used to diagnose the disease.
Select true or false.
Correct. Cystoscopy can also help treat certain diseases that affect the urethra, bladder, and ureters. A cystoscopy can help the urologist pull kidney stones out.
Select true or false. Correct. During a cystoscopy, kidney stones can be removed. A stent can also be placed up the ureters if needed to help the flow of urine. A stent can be placed even if the stone cannot be removed with a cystoscopy.
The risk of infection is common with cystoscopy.
Select true or false.
Correct. The risk of infection is rare, but it could still happen.
Thank you for using Explain.